So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will just discuss the difference between these three approach: Flutter, React Native and Ionic. So Flutter is not the only tool or only approach by which you can just build exciting applications for Android and iOS with one programming language and code base. There are some other solutions too in the market, and according to me, React Native and Ionic are probably the biggest competitor to Flutter. So here in this video, we will discuss how Flutter differs from React Native and Ionic. So let's get started. Flutter uses Dart plus Flutter framework. So it uses Dart programming language, and Dart is a programming language, by the way, developed by Google. While in the other hand, React Native uses JavaScript and the React library. Ionic uses JavaScript and any or no other framework. In Flutter, you get compiled native apps, so your code gets compiled fully, while in React Native, you get partly compiled native apps. So there are some sort of code in JavaScript which is enclosed and run as JavaScript in React Native, but this is not the case in Flutter, that everything is compiled in the machine code, while in Ionic, you get the web app wrapped in the native app. So this is the difference again. Here in Flutter, it does not compile to iOS and Android UI components, uh, while in React Native, it compiles to iOS and Android UI components. So here here what it means is, in Flutter, it does not just give you the native UI components. Instead, Flutter controls every pixel on the screen, while in React Native, it compiles to iOS and Android UI components. Here in Ionic, of course, you can design whatever UI you want, because it is at the end a web app uh, wrapped with a native app. F- Flutter is a cross platform used to build mobile apps, web apps, and desktop apps. React Native is mostly used to develop mobile apps, while Ionic is by default a web app. And by wrapping it with a native app, you will get mobile apps and desktop apps. Flutter is developed by Google. React Native is developed by Facebook, and Ionic is developed by a company named Ionic. So, of course, these are some big companies which are backing them. But I think this thing should not influence your choices. Now, the question is, what should influence your choice while selecting any of them? So, in Ionic, you just get a web app wrapped with a native app. So if you are a skilled web developer, you can just build the apps with Ionic. But the downside is, of course, the performance. While in Flutter and React Native, this is not the case. In Flutter, you don't get the compiled iOS and Android UI components. And here, the advantage with Flutter is Flutter controls every pixel on the screen. So, of course, there are higher customizations option available in Flutter compared to React Native, because in React Native, it compiles to iOS and Android UI components. So if you just like the more customization options for your UI, you can of course choose Flutter. So I think it's not bad idea, but at the end, you should of course go with your requirements and likings. So I think I have pretty well explained the difference between these three. And if you still have any question regarding it, you can post it in the comment section. I will be ready to answer that.